speakers and entertainers. There is only one Craig Karges who artfully blends the two into an unforgettable presentation that both entertains and challenges the mind. American Entertainment Magazine named Craig Karges one of the top 5 corporate variety entertainers in the country, and Performance Magazine named his theatrical production one of the top 5 variety shows in North America.
You picked a cell phone number of somebody you knew. And honestly, we've never met, never talked before.
No, sir.
You made up your mind right here on stage.
I did.
You went with, it's a woman. I know it's a woman, yeah?
You're killing me, yeah.
It's a woman. Yeah. It's a... Now, an obvious guess would be probably a daughter, but I don't think that's what you did. I think you picked your wife's cell phone number.
I did.
Is your wife's name something? Is it Carol?
That's it.
There's not. I tell you what.
I'm looking.
I tell you what. Just look at me, Joey, and tell me, what are the last 4 digits of Carol's cell phone number?
7962. You sure you don't know me?
Karges is a certified speaking professional and CPAE Speaker Hall of Fame member as designated by the National Speakers Association.
This is not a U.S. bill.
No.
Great. Okay. Things are going pretty well up until this point. Is it a 10?
Yeah.
Is there a serial number on the bill, like series of letters? Okay, take my thumb, place it over the first letter or number, whatever would begin it. U.S. bills always start with a letter. Does this start with a number?
Yes.
Is a number 3?
How the hell you know that?
Is it?
Yes.
Now the next thing is the next thing is another number.
Yes.
3, 4? And it's first is a 3, then it's a 4.
Yes.
Then it's a letter?
Let me see.
Is it a letter?
Yes.
Okay, is it a letter? I was going to say a O, but then it's not an O, it's a Q.
Oh, God. This guy can't be real.
Craig, you were awesome. You were incredible, amazing. Our group just totally enjoyed you. We can't even begin to believe or understand how you did what you did, but we love you.
But what you don't expect, what he also delivers on, is he is on message and talks about your company and your culture and your key messages to your constituents, and it's just a home run all around.
People leave entertained, inspired, and wanting to just go out there and achieve more in life.
Karges combines the art of illusion with the science of psychology and the power of intuition to create the extraordinary. You are about to see Craig Karges levitate a table as an audience member looks for hidden strings, wires, magnets, or adhesives. In this demonstration, 4 people create an imaginary car.
What would you pick? Just look at the camera and into the microphone. Give us your answer. What would your car be?
Corvette.
I like the Mini Cooper.
One will name a make, another a color,
Candy apple red.
Kelly Green, that's a color.
the third a license plate number,
LT 1963.
and the fourth a price.
$30,851.
$30,851. You want to be a little bit more specific than that?
and 27 cents.
That's not really what I meant.
At this point, Karges removes a sealed envelope from a zippered compartment in his wallet. Inside the envelope is a note.
They will select a Ferrari, the color being white, with the license plate number JK1993 and costing a total of $1,502,728.50.
And costing a total of $43,252.53. That's awesome.
Craig Karges has become incredibly popular with corporate and association audiences for his ability to blend entertainment, message, and motivation in one remarkable presentation. Karges customizes each appearance to emphasize his client's goals.
I engage the audience and make a connection with the entertainment, then provide them with a specific message tailored to the group.
I know you're faced with your own share of challenges, your own nightmares. You've got compliance issues, regulations, legislation, you've got the IRS, all the stuff that you deal with all the time. It's the nightmares that make up some of your world. And you also have exciting things that are happening. You've got cloud computing going on. You've got pay cards. You have paperless payroll in your futures. And some of you people are really excited about that, and others are kind of timid about it, because it is requiring you to do something different, to step outside of your comfort zone. And I want to challenge you with the fact when you leave your comfort zone, you truly try something different, that is when you can create your greatest success.
Leave a legacy. Create your legacy now by doing things like embracing inclusiveness and diversity, by being a part of the highest performing teams, by giving back. Is it possible for you to see the realization of Vision 2020 as you continue to build a better working world? The audience is getting the core message of the meeting again, but in a fun, exciting, mind-expanding, and interactive environment. Not from a talking head, not from a PowerPoint slide.
Craig Karges is not just an entertainer, and he's much more than a speaker. Throughout his presentation, Karges shares amazing facts about our potential as human beings.
You don't have to worry. You have about 100 billion brain cells, and all those cells have the capability of interconnecting with all the rest. So imagine that for a second. 100 billion electrical connections going on inside your head right now. Can you picture that, the complexity of that? That's like everybody in the world talking on the phone to each other at the same time. Can you picture that? You picture you really got to expand it, because it's more like everybody in the world talking on 15 phones apiece, all to each other, all at the same time. If you can begin to get your head wrapped around that, you can begin to understand what's going on inside your head right now. Your brain's an amazing thing, makes 100,000 operations per second, is capable of holding 100 trillion bits of information, and the sad thing is that we oftentimes take it for granted. So besides entertaining you this afternoon, I want to try to get you in awe of your brain and your mind and how they work together to create the extraordinary.
You know, it's been said that we only use 10-20% of our minds. And I think a lot of us even less than that.
Craig Karges has made over 40 national television appearances, and you've seen him on The Tonight Show, as well as CNN Headline News, the Fox News Channel, CNBC, and E! Entertainment Television.
Oh my God! You're amazing.
Take your hands off.
Craig Karges' first network television appearance was The Tonight Show with Jay Leno, where he appeared with guest Eddie Murphy.
I thought, it wasn't going to come off the ground like y'all just felt like, oh, this is bull. Right, man, move this cut.
So if you're thinking about bringing Craig in, first of all, you'd be crazy not to.
He was fantastic. He killed it. Every moment was funny. The audience loved him.
Craig Karges offers $100,000 payable to charity if anyone can prove he uses stooges or Confederates from the audience to accomplish his demonstrations. From keynote presentations to after-dinner entertainment, meeting professionals have effectively used Craig Karges in a variety of situations at national conventions, recognition events, sales conferences, management retreats, and client events. In a shift of focus from entertainment to empowerment, Craig Karges created Ignite Your Intuition based on his best-selling book. Ignite Your Intuition is a hands-on, interactive experience which helps participants reach their full potential by enhancing intuition, creativity, decision-making, and memory. Craig Karges offers 3 distinct presentations to meet his clients' needs: his motivational entertainment program, Experience the Extraordinary, and Ignite Your Intuition. Or you can combine the best of Experience the Extraordinary and Ignite Your Intuition for an unbelievable keynote general session.
We are truly extraordinary, and we have the ability to create our future through our decisions, our actions, and our beliefs. Success is limited only by imagination.
Regardless of which program you choose for your organization, Craig Karges will thoroughly entertain, deliver a message, and leave the audience energized, motivated, and inspired. Take your next event from ordinary to extraordinary with Craig Karges.
Thank you very much.